Okay, for the next project, these are all the materials that are given in the box, and these are all the organs that is related in your chapter 2, which is given in your white packet here. Okay, so make sure you have arranged it all like this, and these are the 3 cards that are also given inside the box, and a small clip and also a glue. Okay, what you have to do in this project is that first of all, please take one of the cards, okay, and label it on top here. So there are 3 things that you need to label. The first one that you have to label is your breathing or your respiratory system. Breathing or respiratory is up to you. In your textbook it's written as breathing system. So second is excretion, and third is defecation. Alright, so these are 3 things that you have to write on top of each of the card here, okay? So I want you to write it on top here, over here. Okay, so for example, excretion, you can write it nicely over here. Okay, so you have excretion, defecation, and also breathing or respiratory system. Okay, so these are the 3 systems that you learn, and now we are going to label the organ. So first of all, let's say we are doing excretion. There are 3 organs that are involved in excretion. The first one, which is your skin. Okay, there are no organs of skin here because skin consists of all the body parts here. Okay, I mean skin is a covering of your whole body. So you can label anywhere that you want as skin. Okay, so that is first. And you have number 2 and number 3. So as we know, the second part of excretion would be your kidney. Okay, so you're going to take your glue, you're going to put a little bit glue here, and you're going to stick it here. Okay, this is your excretion. And third one would be your lungs. Okay, so lungs is also part of excretion, whereby it excretes carbon dioxide and water vapor. So you're going to put your lungs here. Okay, so the same thing goes for your breathing or respiratory system. You have your lungs, and this would represent your trachea. Okay, this yellow one would represent your trachea, and this purple color one would represent your nose. Okay, so you have 3 organs involved, which is your nose, your trachea, and your lungs. So you're going to glue this nicely. Okay, do it slowly, you don't have to rush. Okay, like that. Okay, third one would be your defecation. Okay, yeah, so in defecation, the one that you learn in standard 4, there's only one part, one organ that you learn as in your textbook, which is your anus. Okay, so this is your large intestine, and this would be your small intestine. These are the one that we have already learned in standard 3. Okay, so you put this inside here. There are 2 parts here, one large intestine and one small intestine. And this part over here, the small one, is called your anus, whereby the feces comes through here. Now all you have to do is label your anus over here. If you would like to label the large intestine, it's up to you. Okay, so and don't forget to label it on top here as well: defecation, respiratory or breathing system, and excretion. Okay, once you're done with all that, all you have to do is make sure you have glue it all together. Okay, I have not glued it yet, but when you have already glued it all together, all you have to do is take your clip, your circle, this round clip, put it inside here, secure it. Okay, and you have a booklet of the systems that you learn. Okay, so keep this in your box. That's all.